Hello my friends, welcome to Bunny Tales. Today we're going to make a goat out of the letter G. We're going to cut the letter G out without using a template. First we're going to fold our paper into 4 quarters, then we're going to cut the outer edge in a rounded shape. After that we're going to fold the first half in, and then we're going to cut out half a circle. Then we're going to go to the edge and make sure that it's rounded. After that, we're going to cut off the bottom part of the letter G. Then we're going to cut out a little bit from the bottom. Now we have our letter G. We're going to take our extra bit of paper, draw out the ears, and then we can cut them. Then we're going to get a piece of pink paper. We're going to draw out a smaller shape of the ears and then cut that out as well. After that, we're going to get some yellow paper, draw out the little goat horns, and then cut that out. After that, we're going to get some white paper, draw the little beard and the eyes, and then we will cut these out as well. Now that we have all our pieces ready, we are ready to get started. Hello!
Hi!
Are you ready to make a craft with me?
Yes.
Do you know what this letter is?
Yeah, it's a lowercase letter G.
Do you know some words that start with the letter G?
Goose, gate, goat.
Good job! Today we are going to make a goat. First we're going to glue on the ears. Then we're going to glue on this pink part as the inner side of the ear. After that, we're going to glue on these horns. After we glue on the horns, we are going to glue on the eyes.
Can I make my goat a silly goat?
Sure, go ahead. After we glue on the eyes, we're going to put on the goat beard. Then draw a little nose and a cute little smiley face. We're going to write the word goat at the bottom, and then we can use this bottom piece of the page to practice writing upper and lower case letter G. Good job! Thank you for making this craft with me.
This was fun. I enjoyed making the letter G goat.
I hope you enjoyed making this craft as well. Please subscribe to Bunny Tales.